Hello friends, how are you doing? Today we got a new track.
That's the track builder.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And see, if the car goes and there's one car fall down.
That's right. And it will also help in a boost, right?
Yes, it will go faster.
That's right. So it's a booster also.
Yes, it looks like a booster almost.
That's right.
And the car will push over.
So can you just open it?
Yeah. Yes. See, right here. Yeah. And now we got something else. Stuff. Yes, this one. See? You see, there's arrow and C. If you can look up see,
Yeah.
this is out already.
So you can add track there.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you also the track.
I think there is 2 tracks are there.
Yes. And there's one car.
One car also there?
Yes.
That's nice.
And there's one car. I need to get it in. Got it. I got it. Here's the car.
Nice.
See how it goes. You have to connect the tracks, then you go. Okay? Yes, so we will fix. Yeah, yes. Then so then we can go into the white track. Yes, I got it.
Right.
See? How's it going?
That's right.
See? Because see, now it's done. If we made it out in this knob, then it will record fall. No.
So you can rotate and do all the track building.
Yes, see. Good. Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Can you do it? Can you show me again? Oh.
And just get faster.
Okay. So you have to manually place that one.
See, if we got it. Got it. Friends, in the other day, I showed you this one in the other video.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. The case one. Right.
Yes. That's the case. And
So you wanna connect that one and show to your
Yes.
friend how it works? Okay.
and we had the 2 tracks.
Okay. You are putting 2 additional track there.
Yes.
Okay. That's nice.
So put it right there, and if you want it to be there, this is okay.
Okay. So you can connect
So
that.
how about we do it like this?
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
Yes, this might work. I cannot go there. See? So I can take some car. Wait, yes, I got one. The other car I'm going to show you how it works. Now, take the other car and go. Now, then put this car right here. And 3. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, it
Wow.
just moved.
Can you show me again, please,
Okay.
how you're doing it?
There.
Hmm.
The car goes there.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it falls. 3, 2, 1, go.
Can you do it again, please?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Do you want me to do it in the other car?
Yeah, you can show. Yay! Nice!
These cars are going and go upside down and going backwards.
That's right.
Bye friends! If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel.
Yeah.